Hello dear students, today we are going to do question number 3 of exercise 14.3. The question is work out the following divisions. So the first part is 10x minus 25 divided by 5. So how we can divide it? First of all we will check what we can take common from numerator. We can take 5 common from numerator. If I'll take 5 common, then this 5 will be cancelled with this 5. Then what is the answer? 2x minus 5 is the answer. Second part, we have to divide 10x minus 25 with 2x minus 5. So what we can take common from numerator? As we can see, 5 is the common factor from the numerator. In both the terms, we will take 5 common. After taking 5 common, what is left? Here 2x is left, here minus 5 will be left. And we can see 2x minus 5 and 2x minus 5 both are common factor in numerator and denominator. So these factors will be cancelled. So what will be left? Only 5 will be the answer. Third part students, it is 10y bracket 6y plus 21 in denominator. It is 5 bracket 2y plus 7. So 10y, I can write it 10 multiply y. From next bracket, what we can take common? We can take 3 common. So if I'll take 3 common, what will be left in the bracket? I have taken 3 common, so 2y will be left, 3 common, then plus 7 will be left. And in denominator, we are having 5 bracket 2y plus 7. And we can see 2y plus 7 is a factor in numerator and denominator. So this factor will be cancelled. 5 ones are 5 2s are 10. So what is left? 2 multiply 3 multiply y, that is 6y. Fourth part of the question. In numerator it is 9x square y square bracket 3z minus 24. In denominator it is 27xy bracket z minus 8. So how we can factorize it? I can write it 9x square y square it is. So can I write it xy multiply xy? Yes, we can write it. And from these two terms, what we can take common? 3 we can take common. So if I'll take 3 common from 3z, then only z will be left. If I'll take 3 common from 24, then only 8 will be left, right? And in denominator, I am having 27 multiply xy multiply z minus 8. So we can see z minus 8 and z minus 8 is the common factor. We can cancel it. xy we can cancel. 3 ones are 3 nines are 27, 9 and 9 will be cancelled. So what is left? Only xy is left. That is the answer. So students, now fifth part, you can see the denominator and numerator both we have written. Now we will just see what are the common factor. So for that, first of all, what I can write in numerator, I can write 96 multiply ABC. From this bracket we can take 3 common. So if I'll take 3 common, then A minus 4 will be left. From this bracket, if I'll take B 5 common, then B minus 6 will be left. And in denominator we are having 144 bracket A minus 4 bracket B minus 6. So we can see A minus 4 and A minus 4. This factor is in numerator and denominator both, so we can cancel it. B minus 6, we can cancel it as this factor is in numerator and denominator both. And we can simplify these natural numbers. 96 and 144 can be divided on the table of 12. 12 8s are 96, 12 12s are 144. 8 and 12 again I can divide them on the table of 4. So 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. So 3 and 3 will be cancelled. This 3 and this 3 will be cancelled. So what is left? Here 2 is left, here ABC is left, and here 5 is left. So if I'll simplify it, I'll get 10 ABC answer.